Hello everyone. Today we will see how to calculate cube of any number using shortcut trick. Suppose we want to calculate cube of 13. Then using traditional method what you will do, you will multiply only 13 three times, but it will take time. So we are calculating cube of 13 using shortcut trick. How to calculate? First of all, divide this 13 into two parts. Consider one as a first and 3 as a second. So we will use one formula. First of all, we will write four places. At the first place, we will write cube of first number. At the fourth place, we will write cube of second number. At the second place, we will write square of first number in multiply by second number. At the third place, we will write square of second number multiply by first number. Now we will put this first and second number in the given formula. Again, at the here I am writing arrow I will make, so it will be easier to understand. So cube of first number. What is the first number? First number is 3. I will write here 13. That means 1 is the first number and 3 is the second number. So cube of first number is 1. So cube of 1 cube I will write. Then square of first number, that means 1 square. Second number is 3. Then this is the first place, second place, third place and fourth place. Then square of second number. What is second number? Second number is 3 into first number is 1. And at the last place we have to write cube of second number. What is the cube of second number? Second number is 3, so 3 cube I will write. Okay, now how to calculate cube of this number? Cube of 1, we know that 1 into 1 into 1 it will be 1. Cube of 3, it will be 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 will be the cube. 1 square, it will be 1, 1 into 3 is 3. Then 3 square is 9, 9 into 1 will be 9. Now what we will do, we have to multiply only second and third number by 2. I am writing very short, multiply 2 because it will not be later be used. So multiplication of 3 into 2 it will be 6. Multiplication of 9 into 2 it will be 18. After doing multiplication I will cut because you will not confused with this. Now we will add this 2. So how we will add? One thing you have to pay attention that only 7 will come here and this 2 it will be carried to the next number. So to carry I am writing in the circle. Now we will add this 3 number, that means 2 plus 9 plus 18. This is for rough work. 2 plus 9 plus 18 it will equal to 29. Okay, now 29, how 29? Then only 9 I will write and this 2 will be carried. Now 6 plus 3 plus 2. 6 plus 3 plus 2 it will be 11. So 11 I will write only 1 and 1 will be carry. So 1 plus 1 it will be 2. So this is a cube of 13. 13 cube it will be equal to 2197. Suppose we have to calculate cube of large number. We want to calculate cube of 47. Then in the same way we will consider 4 as a first number and 7 as a second number. Okay. Then for what we will do, we will write cube of first number. Formula I will write. Then at the second place we will write square of first number into second. Third place we will write second number into first, and at the fourth number we will write cube of second number. Okay, same thing we have to do. So first number is 4 cube. Second number is 7, so at the fourth place 7 cube. Second place square of first number. What is the first number? First number is 4, so 4 square into second number is 7. Then at the third place square of second number is 7 into 4. Now we will calculate these values. Cube of 4. 4 cube, how we will write? 4 into 4 into 4. So it will be 4 into 4 into 4. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 is 16 and 16 4 is 64. It will be 64. So 64 I will write here. Okay. Then 7 cube. 7 into 7 into 7. So cube of 7 is 343. So I will write 343 here. This is the rough work. Now at the second place what will come? 4 square. 4 square, that means 16. 16 into 7. 16 into 7 it will be 112. At the third place 7 square. 7 square is 49. 7 square, 7 into 7 into 4. So 7 square it will be 49. 49 into 4 is equal to 196. So I will write 196 here. Now what we have to do? We will multiply only this by 2. Okay. So multiplication of 112 by 2 it will be 224. Then multiplication of 196 into 2 it will be 392. Now we will add only this multiplication by 2 we will cut. So 3 4 3, that means only 3 will come. 34, this will be forwarded in the next step. Okay, now in the next step we will add 34 plus 196 plus 394. Okay, so I will write here 34 plus 196 plus 392. It will become it will be equal to 622. 622, so only I will write 2 and 62 it will be carried. So in the next step we will add 62 plus 112 plus 224. 62 plus 112 plus 224, it will become equal to 398. So I will write only 8 and 39, it will be carried. So 39 plus 64 is equal to 103. Okay, now this is the answer. That means we were calculating cube of 47. So cube of 47 is 103823. This is the answer. Thank you so much for watching my video.